Your Jordanstown station level crossing in Newtownabbey because you ran. Tunnel is 1507. This year 1509. No rush was from the Torch of the long time. Oh, thanks, not open today. It's getting near Christmas, so guess it's just whatever. I really like that song when Jordanstown used to be a station in the HB. That's very cool, that is. I'll just take 2 pictures of that. There we go. Wonder where the other train could be. Oh, where's 09? Usually never goes on that early. Usually when it gets late, sometimes when it goes around the bend, it usually just goes off. Probably a little bit of delayed. Probably. There it is. He wasn't Calv. No Wolf wasn't. No Fruit wasn't. Today's location today is Culibaki today. So we'll same thing as always. Culibaki Station, level crossing. Culibaki North, level crossing. And Culibaki South, level crossing. What the? Why is this? Barely open it. Don't know why it's it. I don't know why that's open like that, because some idiot could just use the bathroom in there, like, but oh well. Don't know why that's open there like that. I tried to close it, but I couldn't get it closed because of all the leaves. I don't know. Yeah, that definitely wasn't open. That should not be open. What the? What is the number of train? 3001. There's a fence. There's like half of the gate on the fence over on the other side of the thing, and it's just open.
What is it?
There's some sort of gate that's on the fencing on the other side of the. No, not the signal box. Yeah, it's open, but it's on the other side of the signal box. So I'll show you when the thing goes by. Anyways, 3001. Want the long time. And we should be going up. Like a. So Granta, come here. That shouldn't be open like that. Look, it's. Or you could just. See if I can lock it. See if you can lock it.
There.
There it goes. It's closed now.
What?
It's closed now.
So when you open that?
Somebody just might just use the bathroom in there. Anyways, I guess